Om Swastiastu. All to present the material about education facilities and infrastructure and education information system, management, finance, and financing. My name is Iwis Timura Putu Satya Pramanuntung, and my supporting lecturer, Dr. Siloh Nyoman Sutyadi, SPD, SAG, and MPD. Definition of facilities and infrastructure means are everything that can be used as a tool in achieving a goal or goal. Infrastructure is everything that is the main support for the implementation of process, business, development, and project. Function, facilities, and infrastructure. Number 1. To maximize learning to run smoothly. Number 2. To replace goods that are damaged or are not suitable for us. Number 3. Maintain the availability of the item needed. Number 4. As well as assisting, budgeting, planning the coming period. Example of facilities and infrastructure. Number 1. Equipment. Paper, fountain pen, book, computer. Number 2. Thing. Study desk, chair, whiteboard. Number 3. Support. Funding help from the government. Number 4. Facility. Building and room. Financial management. Financial management is an activity carried out to determine the course of educational activities. In the implementation of management must pay attention to the participle of management, namely planning, organizing, briefing, coordination, surveillance, and control. And there are several activities related to financial management, such as obtaining and assigning source of fund, endowment, benefit, report, examination, and his responsibility. Purpose of application of educational financial management and educational financial research. The implementation of a management course must have a clear goal. The purpose of its implementation is to meet funding needs related to educational activities which can be carried out by planning in advance, seeking to brochure transparently recorded and also used to finance educational program actively and efficiently. Namely, number 1, in order to increase the effectiveness and efficiency of the use of education fund. Number 2, improving accountability and transparency related to educational finance. Number 3, minimize budget misses for things that are not needed. Educational finance are not only obtained from compulsory student tuition. There are several other income that enter the education research, such as from number 1, from student parent, number 2, dana bos, and number 3, unit business. The financial research must be managed properly to avoid things that are not desirable. Financing management. Financing is the ability of the education system to manage education fund efficiently. Education financing is the rupiah value of all research inputs used for an educational activity. Principle of application of education financial management. Number 1, transparency. Transparency means that education financial management must be done openly. This discloses relates to educational financial resources, how much they are, how they are used, and how they are accounted for. Number 2, accountability. Accountability means the use of education money in accordance with the plan. And based on this, the use of education money must be accounted for according to the plan. Number 3, effectiveness. If there are activities carried out, they can arrange finance and financing activities in order to achieve the goals of the educational institution concerned, and the quality of the result must also be in accordance with the plan. Number 4, efficiency. Efficiency, this participle relate to the quantity of result from activities. In financial management, this is a comparison between the input on output, or you call say power, and result of education financing. Number 1, budgeting concept. Number 1, budgeting. Budget is a operational plan that is expressed quantitatively in the form of units of money that is used as a guide for a certain period of time. Therefore, the budget describes the activities that will be carried out by an institution. Number 2, accounting. Accounting, this management includes two things, namely, first, taking care of matters relating to the authority to determine policy to receive or spend money. The second, management concerns to the follow-up affair of the first affairs, namely receiving, saving, and issuing money. This management is better known as treasury management. Number 3, auditing. Auditing is all activities related to the responsibility for receipt, storing and paying or delivering money made by the treasurer, the authorized parties. Education financing. Number 2, principle in the budget. Number 1, selling principle. Selling principle. The principle of selling is the expenditure budget that might be requested not to exceed the maximum amount that has been determined. Number 2, expenditure principle by ICE budget. The principle of spending based on budget items, meaning that expenditure must be based on predetermined budget items. Number 3, indirect principle. Indirect principle, which is a provision that any recipient of money may not be used directly for any expenditure purpose. Objectives and benefits of education financing. Purpose. Number 1, function, implementation, management. Number 2, the implementation of improving the quality of the purpose and student learning outcome. Number 3, the implementation of education smoothly. Benefit. Number 1, improving the quality of the process and student learning outcome. Number 2, meet education standard. This is of material about educational facilities and infrastructure and educational information system, management, finance, and financing. Thank you for watching my video, and I will be closing with Paramasanti. Om Santi Santi Santi.